Looking to secure your home network by updating your Optimum Wi-Fi password? You have a few easy options. In this guide, I'll show you the best ways to change Optimum Wi-Fi SSID and password from mobile or laptop. Let's get started. Step 1. Logging into Optimum.net. First, connect your PC, laptop, or mobile to internet using Optimum modem. Now, open any web browser and access Optimum.net. Sign in with your Optimum user ID and password. Press Continue button to login. Once logged to your Optimum account. Now, from top menu navigate to Internet, then go to Router Options. On this page, you'll see your current network info. Just click More or Edit next to your Wi-Fi network name. Now you are inside wireless settings. Change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network name and password and press Save button to apply settings. After a few minutes, connect your all Wi-Fi devices with new Wi-Fi network name and password again. That's it. You have successfully updated Optimum Wi-Fi, SSID, and password. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.